Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we saw how to install Docker in our local machine. Then we have worked on Hello World images as well. Okay. Then we saw two basic commands of Docker, which is Docker images and Docker ps hyphen. Okay. And we saw that Docker images is used to check all the images available in the Docker machine. Then Docker ps hyphen tells us that all available containers that we have run or we have created in the Docker machine. Okay, so that's kind of things we have discussed in the last part. Now in this part, in this video, we will discuss about how to deploy a basic HTML page, okay, with the help of Docker. And it is a very crucial step before working on the ASP.NET Core. Okay, so first we will discuss how to deploy a HTML page. Okay, and in the upcoming parts we will see how to deploy ASP.NET Core applications. Okay, so in this video, in this lecture, we will see some web servers, and we will deploy our HTML static page, okay, with the help of Docker. Then I will tell you some more important commands related to Docker. Okay, so we should keep these command lines in our mind. Okay, so that we can work without any problematic. Okay, so let's get started with the main content and with the main agenda of this session. And before proceeding the next, guys, I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well, and hit the like button. And now let's get started with the main content. Okay, so in the last video we have used hello world images. Okay, and this is my container section, or this container I have created with the help of Docker. Okay, and this container contains the hello world images. Okay, and if I suppose let me do something PowerShell. Okay, yes, it is Windows PowerShell. Okay, and if you are using any other operating system, then your operating system must contains your command line as well. Okay, in Windows we use Windows PowerShell. Okay, so first we will see like uh, how many images have in my PC, which the only image that we have in our system, which is hello world. And if I want to see how many containers I have, the only one container. Okay, and these two commands we have already discussed in the last video. Okay, so for the recap, I just again show this command to you. Okay, now let's create some HTML files. Okay, then I will show you how to create a Docker file as well. Okay, uh, and let's see. First, I will create a new folder here, which is Docker. Okay, and after this, I'll create a new file. Okay, just go to the new site, new, and create a Docker. Okay, and Docker file always comes without extension. Okay, so just click yes here. Okay, so I have created Docker file, and I will create a new folder. Suppose I will create a HTML publish m folder. Okay, and you have to do same thing as well. Okay, so please don't skip any part. Okay, just uh, this kind of things we have to do. Okay, and so open this folder in the VS Code editor. Okay, so we have I will just use code dot. So this folder will open in my VS Code editor. Okay, and after this, in this folder, I will create a new HTML file as well. So this is my folder. In this folder, I will create a index.html page. Okay, and suppose yes, and, and I will create some basic text. Okay, basic things. Okay, now Rohan. Okay. In the Docker with ASP. Okay. So this page I will use. Uh, I will deploy this page with the help of Docker. Okay, and here is my Docker file. Okay, please make sure this hierarchy of the Docker file must outside of the like folder as well. Okay, so Docker file always in the root directory. Okay, please keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so before like if I want to deploy uh, HTML page, so we need some web servers. Okay, so like what is the web server? First thing you have to know this thing. Okay, so web server is that it helps us to deploy our uh, like application, web applications. Okay, so in this scenario I will use Nginx web server. Okay, and how we can use the Nginx web server with the help of Docker? I will just use Nginx image in the Docker. Okay, so I will go to the official website of Docker. Okay, and there I will pull an image of a dog like Nginx image in my Docker machine, which is like first Docker images. Just go to like this. Okay, click the first link, or in the search bar, just search here Nginx. Okay, or press enter. So here is my official Nginx Docker images. Okay, so just click over there or copy this command. Okay, Docker pull Nginx. Okay, and after this, like this, just paste here. Okay, and enter this thing. Okay, so Nginx image will be pulled in my local machine with the help of this command line. Okay, and you should use this Nginx image while you working with the deployment of web applications. Okay, and it is the Linux based server as well. So I think I have created an Nginx image. And okay, so let's see. If I want to see like this image is installed properly or like pulled properly or not, so just I will go to the Docker images. Okay, if you see that repository name is Nginx with the latest tech, that means that you have successfully installed Nginx image in your local machine. So after this, what we will do, uh, just keep this page open here. Okay, and go to the go to your this thing. Okay, go to your Docker file. So I will create a Docker file manually. Okay, first I will use from Nginx. Okay, like I am importing that Nginx image in my Docker file. After this I will copy my uh, publish HTML publish folder into this Docker file. Okay, so how we can do this? My Docker file is outside of this folder, so I will just go like this, and I will just go to my folder, and I want to copy entire content which is available in the HTML publish. Okay, let me zoom for you. Okay, so that you can see easily. Or like this. Okay, yeah, that's pretty fine. Okay, and so this is my source location. Okay, and I have to put the destination location as well. Okay, so and we don't know like where the Nginx supports its default location, destination location. So I will just go to this web page again, and while you scroll down, then you will see that okay, so from Nginx, after this you have to copy the like source directory, and this is my destination directory. I will just copy this thing here. Okay, just give one space here and paste this thing, paste this command, and save this file. Okay, so we have done and we have created our first Docker file manually. Okay, and we will use Nginx server to deploy our HTML like simple HTML web page, like page. Okay, and after this I have created a Docker file, and in the Docker file I am using Nginx server, and in this Docker file I am using copy command. Like it will copy my source folder to the destination folder. Okay, and this is my default location of my Nginx server where it supports. Okay, so just save this folder. Okay, or save this file. Okay, and after this it should be minimized. And, just like where is my command line that where I have opened. Okay, so this is my command line that where I have opened. Okay, so first what I will do, I will just like if I want to deploy my code, first we have to create the build. Okay, build of my Docker file. Okay, so this Docker file will generate some it will do some internal operations. Okay, then it will create a build. After this we are able to deploy our HTML page on the web server, so with the help of Docker. So if I want to build my my application. Okay, so this is my Docker folder. Okay, so first I will use Docker, then build, then you should command, then you should create the build name as well. And if you want to give the build name, so you should always use hyphen t always refers to the tag. Okay, so I will use a Docker build tag, and I will do web app uh, web application like this. Okay, so I will just tire project as well, so I will just use a dot operator and enter. Okay, so it will create the build of my folder build of with the help of server. Okay, and it is working with the Docker file as well. Okay, so yes, my build is successfully run. Okay, successfully created. So and after this if I want to check like my build is created successfully or not, I will just go to the Docker images. So I this build is successfully created, this image is successfully created, which is web hyphen application that I have created. And so if I want to deploy my application, so first I will use the basic command which is available with the Docker command line. I will use Docker, then run, and after this I will suppose I will uh, name it my deployment, which is web app container. Okay, and after this I will, and if I want to run this application on a particular port, then I will just use hyphen p, and I will use port number 9080. Okay, and after this which image I want to run. Okay, so I want to run web applicating. Okay, so I have done a spelling mistake. Okay, and you should always use the tag name as well with the help using the colon as well. And uh, while pressing the enter on it, okay, then it will deploy my application. Okay, or yes, it is successfully deployed. Okay, and if I want to check my application is working or not, then I will just go to the local host 9000. Okay, yeah, so it is working fine. Okay, and my first HTML static page is deployed now with the help of Docker. So this kind of in these steps we can deploy our first HTML static page with the help of Docker. And okay, and you should know this thing very well. And okay, and you shouldn't skip any part, any steps while you watching this video. Okay, so let me repeat you again. I created a folder. In the folder I have created a Docker file. Okay, and make sure that your file should be named Docker file as well without using any extension. Okay, and after this, in the same hierarchy, you will create a folder which, and you can name it anything, and just create a new HTML page. Okay, like this. Or I have created this HTML page, or I have put some content to see like everything is working fine or not. In the Docker file, like I am using Nginx server, Nginx image. You have seen that how we can pull Nginx image, okay, from the official website. Okay, like this. Just go to the Docker hub website and copy this command docker pull nginx and paste to the command line and run this command on your command line, and after this it will automatically pull the image, and we will use the copy command and copy like I will copy the source folder to the this destination folder. And how you can find this destination folder? Okay, just go to this go to this place. So while you scroll down, then you will see that these commands here. Okay, first is from Nginx, then after this this is my source directory. Okay, and this is my like default directory of the Nginx server. Okay, where it does supports the deployment of the Nginx. Okay, now after this uh, then we have created the build as well. Okay, build of my web application. Okay, so build hyphen t, or make sure that like this folder is open where where my docker file is located. Okay, otherwise it won't work. So I have opened this command in the docker folder, or then you will use docker build hyphen t, then you will use the web application, like you can name it anything. Okay, and make sure that the name should be like small cap as always. Okay, and then you will give the one space, and after one space you will put the dot operator here. Okay, just press the enter, and after this everything will be done automatically. And I will for check that everything is working fine or not, that I will do uh, docker images command here, or the new image will be created with the name of like that we have name it to the for my build. Okay, so it is done here. And after this I will run a new command which is docker run hyphen name space uh, you can name it anything. Okay, so I name it a web app container. After this you will use, like you have to give some port. Okay, so I for giving it, so just use a hyphen p space or port number like this, or you and put the name like image name. So this is my image name that I created while building my application. Okay, with the like using the head like tag name as well. And while you enter this command, it will automatically started. Okay, and you should like what you should okay, just go to your default browser. Okay, you will see your deployed page with the help of docker. So in this video like we have learned like how we can deploy our first HTML page with the help of docker. Okay, and and you have seen that we like I have used Nginx server, Nginx web server, and it is a very crucial step. Okay, you shouldn't skip any steps. Okay, that's why in the in the last I have repeat everything. I have explained you everything again. I just want to tell you that please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. And if you are facing any issue while you working with it, okay, don't worry. Just rewatch this video. Okay, you will get to know everything in detail. Okay, I have you explain in detail as well. Okay, so please if you have done the all these steps and you have successfully deployed your first web application, first web HTML page with the help of docker, just comment down on me in this video done. Okay, then I will get to know that you have done successfully all these steps and you have done like you have deployed your first web page as well. Okay, so guys, and I just want to remind you that guys, I have like all SQL playlists are already going on. If you want to learn SQL, then just follow this playlist, okay, from starting. And if you are preparing for your backend or a full stack development interview, okay, so definitely SQL database is a very crucial uh, point, okay, in the interview. So if you are preparing for it, then just watch the playlist, and you within 1 2 days you will finish the playlist as well. Okay, all videos are around 20 to 25 minutes, so it's not a big deal. Okay, and next in the next part we will discuss more important things about the Docker. Okay, so like stick this playlist, okay, and you will learn Docker or deployment of Docker application entirely, and I will explain you each and every steps in detail. Okay, so don't worry. Okay,